Welcome to the She Shred. This was something that Lindsay has wanted for absolute ever. Took us 2 years to get permits and 2 weeks for Wessel to build. Well, what do you got in here?
All right, so today is our first official session. I finally have some skate friends coming in to skate. We got Beaver Fleming, we got Reef Orlando, we got a whole crew, and I can finally share this dream of a vert ramp with some other people. Yeah!
Let's go.
You have a weird thing on your arms again.
The scratch.
Oh, wow.
When your bones become frail, life is stagnant and stale. But don't throw it away, you'll miss it.
Gotta clean your she shred.
It didn't sound weird until you tightened it. We can't hear you. We didn't plan this very acoustic friendly.
I'm excited to skate it all. Those are bigger than they looked in photos and videos, so they're like 18 feet tall. Moss speed for Moss air.
Definitely the coolest facility ramp I've ever been. This is insane.
Yeah, they traced it like the same dimension as Tony's.
Yeah, it feels nice.
Yeah. The banks are kind of wild, huh? They're way big.
Yeah, they're insane. They're steep too.
Yeah.
Life is stagnant and stale, but don't throw it away, you'll miss it. Stay away, I got growing pains, that's all. Stay away, I got growing pains, that's all.
Can I throw something out? Kind of on the terms of what I heard when I came in here. Can you start to grind and then hop and then finish grinding on your board and then
Grind on the board?
No?
Like jump off the board, he starts
While
grinding
you're
on
grinding?
onto the
I
other.
saw Trevor Jacob do it.
Start grinding.
No, he would have been holding it and then like jump or something. I don't think he would have jumped from one.
So grind and then land, then have the board there, jump on the board and go in. We could try that. You're the boss.
I just want to see if it works.
We can see if it
I just
works.
like throwing out stuff when I have no idea what to do.
It makes it fun.
So 50, and then yeah, you want to put my board in 50, try that. Other way. There we go, yeah.
Where?
Yeah, is it on? Kind of.
It is.
Okay, see how we go.
Okay, that's my last suggestion I'm allowed to make for the day. Thanks for the entertainment.
Too fast on that one. Came in hot.
I love my friends.
I don't think he should be allowed to make suggestions. Privileges have been revoked.
One suggestion a day. Thanks, Beaver.
Stay down there on the viewing platform. No suggestions.
Tailbone's good. Yeah, we're still.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. That was great.
Bye, Travis.
See ya. I gotta go now.
She's getting tech out here.
Yeah, right.
See, she's got all these tricks that are in there, which is cool. Like every session, it's like she unlocks another layer. But it's wild because she hasn't done them in a long time. But they're in there, so it's like every time it's just peel back and see what's there. It's cool.
Replace your divots.
Ow, I'm getting old. You can't go to flat when you're old. It hurts. Does the ramp feel like space? That's where we got That's where we got the dimensions for.
Same thing, just
I
more
hit
banks.
Yeah, I hit them up to do the coping to set it. It feels a little bit poppier though, maybe.
It's nice, I think.
And then the banks, I went to Elliot's. And he's like, okay, just don't make them too far
I was
back
wondering where
or in it.
I was wondering where the bank inspiration came from.
Get there! Oh!
I told Travis he was gonna like Alex. He skates fast and reckless.
Sounds right up his alley.
Yeah, fast, reckless, but sort of actually precise and planned.
So gnarly. I don't even know what that was. His
gnarly.
reels like got caught in between the coping and the skate light under the coping. That was like a new stall he just figured out on there. Anything on that's gnarly.
I like him.
Fast and reckless.
Fast and reckless. So what I like the most about watching skate is that, like, watch him. Even when he falls, it just, like, image is such a big thing, and you can see their faces. So like in moto, Deegan tried it one time to ride with a half shell, and we make all the dumbest faces. So we never think about our facial expressions. But skate, like, everything's about image and style and smooth and cool. And just watching, like, even when you watch skaters fall, there's just like, there's a grace to it that's, you know, it's pretty nice, it's pretty cool.
How do you know Beaver?
Beaver's background is being awesome. We
found him at Woodward West.
Lindsay and I
He was
were
at school there.
yeah.
Schoolboy. Yeah.
You were
Boarding
school
school
boy?
at Hogwarts, aka Woodward.
He was doing double backflips on the skateboard, the foam pit. I was like, you can fit right in on this tour, man. Let's go. We need someone that is just loves to skate, fully loves to send it.
I didn't even think it was real. I met them and he was like, oh, we gotta have you on tour. I'm like, yeah, cool. And then sure enough, he emailed me with the athlete manager.
Yeah,
Good birthday present.
So it was something about just watching Beaver, like when he would skate, he just had so much more height and so much more energy than anybody that I've seen. He related to someone like me that doesn't know anything about skate. Like, I can tell that this is cool because he's never touching the board, but I have no idea. Like Beaver trying double flips, I was like, that's awesome. And he finally landed it.
Finally landed
How
it.
many years did it take?
From foam pit to land, 10 years.
10 years.
10 years.
The ramps got better, I will say that.
But a
Need up,
decade
not
of
far,
process.
yeah.
Didn't know the cheat code yet.
We got the cheat code, yeah.
You got the cheat code for video game trick.
The moon booter, that's it. Turn on moon gravity.
New redhead vibes.
Yeah, it's like an orange road cone over here.
I don't know how tall those are, but they are overhead. I think the vert ramp's what, 13?
13 and a half, I think.
13 and a half. Those are at least 6 feet because they're taller than me. So 13 and a half, that's 19 feet. So 19 feet going for a rock and roll. It's like almost like a weird double tranny. So you do your trick and you land it, but then you have to like land again. It's pretty crazy. Wessel's a madman.
So probably do invert, and then I don't know, whatever he wants to over my head.
Backside, front side, front side, backside, front side. Front side.
Make twist?
No.
900?
900.
What if she does a hand plant and then you do a board transplant? You guys just trade boards.
Just take her board and
And then put yours in there.
You're about to get your suggestion box privileges revoked, just like Travis. This isn't the circus. This is the she shred.
I'm just thinking like video game tricks like Beaver does.
Should I stay in a panel or like put my hand on the fly?
stay in a panel. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna watch the test.
Oh, I didn't stay in it.
You didn't stay in it. It was a little carvy. That's okay. So maybe do it a little more this way. And then I'll just, yeah, here we go. Perfect. Oh,
Dang, dude, it
look
looked
at
good.
that.
It's looking
I was all
good.
nervous. I thought I was gonna hang up. It is her shed.
I think my favorite part about skaters coming to skate this is that they actually nerd out more on the random stuff Travis is doing than the skating, because skating is something they do all the time, but they don't get to see this.
There's nowhere else you can come and watch that while you're skating.
See? Nerding out.
Yeah, guys. So that's my wife, and that's Beaver Fleming. Dude, that is awesome.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, man.
That was sick, by the way.
That felt good.
Yeah, see how fast?
Oh, so sick.
Yes! That's cool.
Oh, yeah. Rad.
Good job.
Woo!
Yeah.
I know Banksy was asking to do doubles, but I was like a little more nervous for that. All right, that's a wrap on the first official skate session in the She Shred. So rad to have a bunch of up-and-comers and my buddy Beaver out here. Just wishing these guys luck at Jackalope Fest.
Yeehaw. Thank you, Lindsay. Thank you, Lindsay.
Yeah, I shouldn't wanna try.